Hi, my name is Tanna Valentine, and I want to welcome you to this program. I've been a dancer for many years, and I'm hoping to share with you a lot of what I've learned about dancing and performing and doing shows so that you can do your own show and have a lot of fun doing it. We're here to create a wonderful, romantic, Orientalist fantasy show that you can enjoy. Maybe you have a special person in your life who has a birthday coming up, and you would like to surprise this person by doing your own beautiful show. Or perhaps you are going to your high school reunion, and you want everyone to be incredibly amazed and maybe a little bit jealous as you perform this amazing show for them. Whatever your goal is, whatever your show goal is, we're going to help you achieve that right here. These shows are very, very individual in terms of how you interpret the music and how you costume yourself. But one very strong hallmark of the AMCAB show is a very set show structure. There are specific segments, and wherever you might be dancing, you could pretty much count on getting these specific segments in a specific order. This is a show order that worked for the Western audience because each piece is distinct and different. And it makes it more entertaining for the audience because they can feel all these different emotions. And it's also easier for the dancer because as you hear the music change, you need to change. Your emotions, your focus, what you are trying to convey to the audience should be varying with each piece of music. You do not want to dance all on one level. You should have highs and lows, different intensities, different focuses. And this is one of the things we're going to try to learn as we go through this program. The show structure that we're going to follow based on this model will begin with an entrance. This is your introduction to your audience. It's also their first chance to understand that a show is going to happen. The second piece will be your veil routine, because during the entrance we are covered in our veil. They cannot see our beautiful costume yet. The veil number is slower, more soft, and more dreamy, and you're going to manipulate the veil as a prop and hold the audience's attention with this prop. The third song, I call this the party song. It's lighthearted, it's happy, and here's where we really want to engage the audience. We want to bring the show to them and really bring them into the show, even going so far as to get them up on the floor and dancing with us. Next segment, we're going back to slow again. It's going to be the shiftetelli. This will be the slowest music, the most sultry, languid music, and you're going to bring out all your really sultry movements here. And dance solo. This is for them to enjoy you dancing and really, really, really being a belly dancer. This is a lot of the hallmark moves of belly dancer here. The next segment, drum solo. Lots of control, lots of energy, lots of hip movements. Very dynamic. Get everybody's energy up again after the slower shiftetelli. And at the very end, we have a finale. And essentially with the finale, we're just thanking everyone for coming, letting them take a last look at us, and we're going to gracefully float off stage. As we go through these structures, I'm going to give you movements, and you can use these movements however you wish. I'm going to be providing choreographies for you, but I really encourage you to please think of these choreographies as blueprints or as an outline. You do not have to follow them. Traditionally, American Cabaret style belly dance, as with Arabic cabaret belly dance, is done improvisationally. There really is not necessarily any choreography, and you should feel free to explore that if you're comfortable. If you feel you have enough movements and you're really enjoying the music, you're going to do a wonderful show. It's all about following the music. Perhaps you've already studied some belly dance and you already know movements or combinations and you would like to incorporate them. Please feel absolutely free to do so. This is your show. You need to enjoy it, because if you are enjoying it, if you are relaxed and interpreting the music with your body and just having a great time, absolutely, your audience is going to love your show. There is no way that you can fail as long as you're enjoying what you're doing. So I hope that you do enjoy this program, and I hope that it helps you to create this wonderful, romantic, Orientalist fantasy and indulge yourself.